Ah! Give me a dirty look, you shit. He ran a red, I believe. Go ahead, roll the stop, lady. I know you will. Yep. Because Subaru. Stop sign! Nice, nice. Oh, dang. Alright, red light, red light, red light, red light! Red light! Red light, red light, red light! Red light! No turn on red there, thank you. Stop sign! Because Lexus. Yield, Mr. Bus Driver. Stop sign, stop sign. Straight from the right turn lane. Thank you. It's like I'm not even here. Jesus. Thank you. Thank you so fucking much. Obviously, he only had to go that far, and he could see that backup that I couldn't. Douche! Not another lane there, dummy. Yeah! Good job, ass face.
Because of the number of files on your media device, speech commands for tracks are not available.
Look at me and go, lady. Device. No problem. Jesus. Fluggy, fluggy. Try stopping. Fluggy, fluggy. Yeah. One lane, Otis. Thank you. Ah, that was cut off. What the? Yeah. Glad you did that for no friggin' reason, dude. Really am. Nissan directed left lane. No U-turn, coral turd. Stop sign. Stop sign. Stop sign back there. No stop sign you missed. And Toyota directed left lane for no reason. Nope, 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 nope. Get out of that lane, Angels Transportation. Exit regret. Dum dum. Exit dive? And stop. And stop. Oh, what a shock. Oh my, what a shock. Crazy. Sidewalk's plowed, lady. Get off here. Stop sign, Cameroid. Well. Yay. Trying to be nice, you know? I wouldn't have, but he is. Stop before you turn. Stop before you turn. Stop for a red light. Cut everybody off, you douchebag. Yeah. Nope, 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 nope. That's a turn lane. Fuck your flickering LEDs.
Peekaboo!
Oh, look, you jumped the queue again. Yep. Oh, you too. Nice. Asshole. Straight from the turn lane. It's a threefer. What are you doing? Straight from the turn lane, Toyota turd.